Google Spreadsheet. Google Spreadsheet is a powerful application that is perfect for maintaining long lists of data, budget, sales, figure, and other data. In this chapter, we will learn some important and interesting features of Excel, like table, cell, reference, inbuilt functions, sorting of data, etc. First, go to Drive. My Drive. Click My Drive. Then click Google Sheet. Open Drive. Go to Google Sheet. Click Google Sheet. Then blank spreadsheet. Single active cell. Single active cell. Formatting toolbar. Formatting toolbar. Columns, rows. Google Spreadsheet. Drag to this. Copy a cell to other quickly. Print. Copy. Formatting cell. Front setting. Cell outline. Advance. Explain later. Undo. Redo. Format number. Front style. Cell data elegant.